Kimora Lee Simmons' divorce and custody battle has taken a dramatic turn, and a court filing has now forced a major clarification. Reports suggested that Kimora had filed paperwork seeking for her estranged husband, Tim Leissner, to receive primary legal and physical custody of their 11-year-old son, Wolf. But then came the twist. A representative for Kimora reportedly said the filing was submitted incorrectly and that she does not intend to seek that custody arrangement. So what actually happened, and why did one court filing create so much confusion? Let's break down the latest developments. Kimora Lee Simmons and Tim Leissner are in the middle of a divorce after years of separation. The couple shares one child together, 11-year-old Wolf. When Leissner filed for divorce, he reportedly requested joint legal and physical custody, but Kimora's response appeared to go much further. According to reports, the filing appeared to indicate that she agreed to Leissner receiving primary legal and physical custody of their son. That immediately raised eyebrows. Kimora has publicly described herself as a primary caregiver to her children, so the wording of the filing caused widespread confusion. Social media users quickly began asking whether Kimora had suddenly changed her position or whether there was something else happening behind the scenes. Then came the major clarification. According to reports, a representative for Kimora said the custody language was the result of a clerical error. The representative reportedly said Kimora has no intention of seeking an arrangement in which Tim Leissner receives primary custody of Wolf. That changes the entire interpretation of the filing. What initially looked like a major custody reversal was instead described as an error in the paperwork, and that is why court filings matter so much. A single line or incorrectly checked box can create headlines before the actual legal position is fully clarified. For Kimora, the clarification appears to be an attempt to set the record straight. The custody dispute is only one part of a much larger legal situation. Kimora and Leissner have reportedly been separated for years, but their divorce proceedings are now formally moving forward. Leissner has also reportedly sought spousal support, while Kimora has asked the court to deny him support and has requested support for herself, along with legal fees. Meanwhile, Leissner is serving a federal prison sentence related to his conviction in the 1MDB corruption scandal. That makes the financial side of the divorce particularly complicated. There are also separate legal disputes involving financial records and property connected to the former couple. A federal court has ordered Kimora to produce certain documents and later scheduled her deposition in connection with discovery requests in the Goldman Sachs litigation. So while the custody filing grabbed the headlines, the broader legal picture is much bigger. The biggest question now is simple. How did a filing that appeared to request primary custody for Tim Leissner end up being described as a clerical error? For the moment, the public explanation is that the paperwork was filed incorrectly. But the situation highlights just how quickly a legal document can become a media storm. Until the court record is clarified and the case moves forward, people should be careful about treating the original filing as proof that Kimora had actually changed her custody position. The legal proceedings are ongoing, and the custody issue is still developing. So, Kimora Lee Simmons' custody battle may not have taken the dramatic turn many initially believed. A court filing appeared to suggest one thing, but her representative reportedly says that was the result of a clerical error. Now, the divorce and custody proceedings continue, with major financial and legal questions still unresolved. What do you think? Was this simply a paperwork mistake, or do you think the situation raises more questions? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more celebrity news, legal drama, and breaking entertainment updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.